Hi guys, Currency Games here with another daily log. Today I wasn't on the charts at all really. I was taking a bit of a break. As I said, I ain't training for the rest of the week, so I've not really been interested in the PA. I've just been looking at bias really, and direction. I'm not really looking to get in any trades, to be honest. So let's get straight into it. It'll be a quick one, to be honest. So yeah, let's start on Eurgbp today, switch it up a bit. Eurgbp, now we did have this weekly fair value gap down here that we were looking at as a draw. It's very interesting how we've just literally closed just above it. Like we've rounded off just above it this week, it looks like. I do see this buy side liquidity here getting taken out at some point. This will be my last point of defense. If we do close above this high, we could then see this buy side liquidity get taken out as well. Or if we possibly get a wick above this high, we could possibly see shorts as well. But at the moment, I do see this buy side liquidity get taken out, and especially because of how bullish we are looking on the H4 at the moment. We could possibly see a retracement downwards tomorrow to push up, depending if it's close to the fractal high. But the draw right now is definitely looking at these highs here. So depending on how we close above this high, we will know if we're going to attack the buy side liquidity up here as well. But I do see the liquidity up here getting taken out, to be fair, tomorrow or possibly going into next week. Because look, remember how we had this H12 FEG marked out down here, and we did say we want to see how we react to it, and look how we rounded off and continued bullish. In regards to setups that could have been taken, nothing here that really would have hit my plan to go long. We did take out this low here, to be fair. As you can see, we took out sell side rest in here, broke upwards, came back down. But again, sometimes it's just nice to see a setup play out when you're not interested in getting in the market. Just reassures you that the model's still there, still works, okay? But yeah, definitely want to see these points get taken out. But again, we have to wait for the H4 to get in sync first. So we could see a retracement down H4 to push up towards these highs up here. In regards to EU, at the start of the week, you remember I was talking about this fair value gap. We've now hit that objective. Really and truly, FOMC yesterday set the tone after we took out these highs and traded downwards. As I said yesterday, price action like this is why sometimes it's best just to wait on NFP week, because if you look, we took out the liquidity for the whole week. We basically came back to weekly open and dropped. Now let's say you held shorts from up here, you would have been taken out. And also price action on these days is just very erratic, okay? Sometimes just not worth getting in, or sometimes. But yeah, we have taken out, let me just get rid of all this. We have come to this fair value gap on the small on the H12, mainly on the H4 we were looking at. So I'm gonna leave this here because this could act as support, act as resistance tomorrow, to be fair. So I might keep this here and see if we bounce off it. As you can see, we do have a H4 high here. So yesterday it would be not interesting to see if this fair value gap that we traded down below will come back and hold us more support for it to go lower to then attack the sell side resting at these lows. But again, the sell side here and here is very interesting, okay? Monday is when I'll continue trading, Monday next week. But for now, I'm just gonna take what I got from markets this week, considering the risk is higher, and just relax and just watch the market and just wait for my setup to form and journal it rather than actually execute on it. And if you do execute on something, it doesn't have to be on a live account, it can be on demo, okay? But yeah, that's all guys. And yeah, we'll go again next week.